Hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we are doing Minuet 2 in Suzuki Violin Book 1. This has always been my favorite minuet. Something about it is so infectious. You'll hear it. The thing to remember is string crossing. Walk your fingers across the fingerboard. When you're doing string crossings with your bow, do not flap your arms around. Just do the minimum that you need to get from string to string. It'll help you so much. New concepts, triplets in measure 23 and 24. We have 1, 2, 3, dum, bum, 1, 2, 3, or triplet 2, 3. The other thing to think about is high 3 in measure 23 and 24, so close to 4th finger. So let's go 1, 2, 3. Okay, how'd you do? It's an awesome piece. Play it a little bit slower, a little bit faster. This medium speed is perfect for me. So, if you found value in this, like, share, subscribe. Super important to my channel. And I will see you in the next piece. Bye.